Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Exterior design of a modern Mediterranean one-story house. Overall aesthetic, a harmonious blend of contemporary lines and traditional Mediterranean elements, creating a sophisticated yet relaxed atmosphere. Exterior finishes, walls, a clean, stucco or plaster finish in a warm, neutral tone such as white, beige, or light gray. Roof, a low-pitched, tiled roof in terracotta or a similar earthy hue, often with decorative accents. Windows, large, casement or sliding glass windows with slim frames to maximize natural light and outdoor views, often framed with stone or wood for a traditional touch. Architectural details, symmetry, balanced and symmetrical facade with a central entrance for a formal look. Arches, rounded arches over doors, windows, or niches, adding a classic Mediterranean character. Columns, decorative columns supporting porches or covered areas, often with fluted or tapered designs. Terracotta accents, incorporating terracotta tiles or pottery into the exterior design for a traditional Mediterranean feel. Landscaping, pool, a rectangular or freeform pool with a clean, modern design. Surrounded by a spacious terrace with sun loungers and outdoor furniture. Gazebo, a modern wooden roofed gazebo with clean lines and minimal ornamentation, often featuring slatted wood walls or open sides for ventilation. Plantings, lush Mediterranean-inspired landscaping with olive trees, citrus plants, lavender, and other drought-tolerant greenery. Stone pathways and gravel accents complement the modern aesthetic. Outdoor living spaces, covered terraces, expansive covered terraces adjacent to the pool, equipped with outdoor dining and lounge areas, fireplace or outdoor kitchen, optional features to enhance the entertainment value of the outdoor space. Overall impression, a sophisticated and inviting home that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, capturing the essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle with a modern twist. Would you like to focus on any specific element of the exterior, such as the pool area or the gazebo? Interior design of a modern Mediterranean one-story house. A modern Mediterranean interior should evoke a sense of relaxed luxury and warmth. It's a balance of contemporary lines and traditional Mediterranean elements. Color palette, earthy tones, beige, taupe, olive green, and terracotta are common choices. Accents of blue, reflecting the Mediterranean Sea. Blues can be introduced through textiles or decor. White, a clean base for the space, allowing other colors to pop. Materials, natural materials, wood, stone, and terracotta are key elements. Textured finishes, plaster, stucco, and wrought iron add depth and character. Metallic accents, gold, bronze, or copper can be used sparingly for a touch of luxury. Furniture, comfortable and inviting. Plush sofas, armchairs, and ottomans create a cozy atmosphere. Clean lines, modern furniture with simple silhouettes complements the contemporary aesthetic. Natural materials, wood, rattan, or wicker pieces add warmth and texture. Decor, art and photography, pieces with Mediterranean themes or abstract works in earthy tones. Textiles, linen, cotton, and silk in neutral colors with patterns inspired by nature. Accessories, decorative ceramic vases, wrought iron lanterns, and colorful pottery. Indoor plants, bring the outdoors in with potted olive trees, citrus plants, or succulents. Key rooms, living room, open and airy with large windows to maximize natural light. A focal point might be a fireplace with a stone surround. Dining room, elegant and spacious, often featuring a large wooden dining table and comfortable seating. Kitchen, modern and functional with a mix of wood cabinetry and stone countertops. Open to the living area for a seamless flow. Bedrooms, serene and restful with neutral color palettes and plenty of natural light. Incorporate natural materials like wood and rattan for a relaxed feel. Overall atmosphere, the interior should create a sense of calm and sophistication, while still being welcoming and inviting. It's a space that effortlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Reflecting the relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle, would you like to focus on a specific room or design element? For instance, we could delve deeper into the kitchen design, or explore how to incorporate specific Mediterranean motifs into the living room. Reasons to design a modern Mediterranean one-story house with a swimming pool and a modern wooden roof gazebo. A modern Mediterranean one-story house with a swimming pool and a wooden roof gazebo offers a unique blend of style, functionality, and comfort. Here are some compelling reasons for choosing this design: lifestyle benefits, indoor-outdoor living. The open floor plan and large windows characteristic of Mediterranean homes facilitate seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. Relaxation and rejuvenation. The combination of a swimming pool and a gazebo provides an ideal setting for relaxation and entertainment. Health and wellness. Spending time outdoors has numerous health benefits, including improved mood, reduced stress, and increased vitamin D absorption. Entertainment. The pool and gazebo area create an excellent space for hosting gatherings and parties. Architectural and design advantages. Low maintenance. A single-story home is generally easier to maintain than a multi-story house. Flexibility. The open floor plan allows for customization and adaptability to changing needs. Energy efficiency. With proper design, a Mediterranean-style home can be energy efficient, taking advantage of natural light and ventilation. Aesthetics. The combination of modern and Mediterranean elements creates a visually appealing and timeless design. Climate considerations. Ideal for warm climates. The open floor plan and outdoor living spaces are perfect for regions with mild climates. Energy efficiency. Features like thick walls and tiled roofs can help regulate temperature, making it comfortable year-round. By incorporating a swimming pool and a modern wooden roof gazebo, you enhance the property's appeal and create a luxurious outdoor oasis. Would you like to explore specific design ideas for this type of home? Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.